Let's create a reference field. For this example, we're going to use a chart of accounts and our GL details. For account code 6039, we don't know a ton about this transaction. So it'd be nice to reference some fields from our chart of accounts so we know exactly what this transaction is. To bring these collections next to each other, we'll shift click and we can search for account code 6039. And we can see the specific details for this transaction. Now let's show how to reference these fields. So we'll go to our GL details, right click anywhere in the chart, click fields. Now we're going to change it from characters to a reference field. Choose which collection we're referencing, which collection field we want to match on, and which fields we want to bring over. And as you can see, those fields from our chart of accounts are now in our GL details. And we can roll up by these fields as well.